Chill.
We'll go ahead and tell you my life story. Tell you my life story. Well, I'm fucking dying. I just got shot in the back, but it's okay. I just opened an AA and they fucking shot me because I fucking tend to fucking go do drugs and shit. I was over fucking getting a fucking stack and filling this fucking shit up full of water so they fucking have this shit and they fucked my shit up. These motherfuckers right here, they're trying to eat me and shit, dude. So, you know, y'all so fucking hungry. Somebody gets a fucking dick back because I fucking signed for that shit, right? You get the dick and the rest of it goes to Chicas Bonitas. Afterwards, you'll see the signs everywhere all over the world.
Let me jump in here with you. Come here, jump in here with me. Tell them again. Tell them again.
You as a Marine, do it for everybody.
Do it for the world.
Do it for the world.
You know what I'm saying? Where we at? Where we at? Where we at? Tell them where we at.
We in Austin, Texas, man.
Austin, Texas.
Boss Hogan.
Boss Hogan. Fat pig, eat greedy. Fat pig, greasy. You know what I'm saying? You taking these little Pimp G, Gangsta OG, Triple O.
You can eat me at Chicas.
Yeah, oh yeah. She said, eat me at